Selection of rubber lagging roller for roller conveyor. The lagging roller, as the name suggests, is that there is a layer of rubber on the drum. Different rubber makes different lagging rollers. The lagging rollers can effectively improve the operation of the conveying system, not only protect the metal drum from damage, but also protect the conveyed material to reduce friction. So, in order to do a good job of a lagging drum, what parameters do we need to know? First of all, the diameter of the lagging roller drum diameter selection: 25 millimeters, 32 millimeters, 38 millimeters, 42 millimeters, 50 millimeters, 57 millimeters, 60 millimeters, 76 millimeters, 80 millimeters, 89 millimeters, etc. For example, if the diameter is 60 millimeters, the thinnest single side of the drum should be 5 millimeters, or customized according to the requirements. Secondly, the material of the lagging roller. The material of the lagging drum is divided into rubber, natural rubber, nitrile rubber, silicone, polyurethane rubber. The color of general rubber is white. White is a fragrant taste. If it is black, black rubber has more impurities, and there is a pungent taste. Advantages: high elasticity, low price, wide range of applications, and good physical and mechanical properties and chemical stability. Disadvantages: easy aging, natural rubber. The advantages and disadvantages of natural rubber are not fixed, and its different characteristics are applied in different occasions, and some advantages will become disadvantages. Advantages: good elasticity, acid and alkali resistance. Disadvantages: not resistant to oil. Nitrile rubber, generally milky yellow. Advantages: oil resistance, good wear resistance, aging resistance, good electrical conductivity. Disadvantages: poor insulation, resistance and cold resistance. Silicone is a white food-grade rubber. Advantages: heat resistant and cold resistant. The applicable temperature is generally between -100 degrees and 300 degrees, and the insulation performance is good. Disadvantages: low strength, poor tear resistance, poor wear resistance. Polyurethane. TPU is a polymer material with good comprehensive performance. Advantages: good wear resistance, high mechanical strength, good adhesion, good elasticity, good reducibility, good low-temperature flexibility, long service life, good oil resistance, aging resistance. Disadvantages: poor integration, and finally, the hardness of the lagging roller. The hardness of the lagging drum is generally determined by the conveyed material, and the hardness commonly used in the industry is 70 degrees. Below 60 degrees belong to soft rubber, and above 80 degrees belong to hard rubber. The three necessary parameters of the lagging roller: diameter, material, hardness. The three parameters depend on the size of the conveyed object, load bearing, use environment, etc. Through the above system introduction, combined with the characteristics of the company's products, it is not difficult to choose a suitable lagging roller.